Welcome back to my channel for another stimulus check update. Y'all, if yesterday's videos about the new stimulus check, I know it's not what everybody was wanting. Everybody was looking forward to the $2,000 reoccurring payments. And then this new bill came out and it's $1,200 a one-time thing. Well, let me tell you, this is not set in stone. The $2,000 may look like it's gone, but it's not gone yet. They still have to hash out all the details. And you know, this new bill that they got is over $3 trillion. So they're going to hash it out. They're going to cut it down as low as they can and still get the job done. But when they're hashing it out, they may say, okay, we got to take this out. Okay, and then the other side is going to say, okay, you can take that out, but you got to put the $2,000 back in. Whatever they take out may cost more than what the $2,000 is. So nothing is off the table yet. These are just proposals. They're not bills yet. So keep your chins up. It may still happen. I feel like it will, because everybody knows $1,200 just is not enough to sustain a family. That being said, the ones that lost their jobs, the ones that's really hurting, they've got unemployment now. People that hadn't lost their jobs, they hadn't lost anything. People that's on Social Security, SSI, disability, or retired, they hadn't lost anything. So anything we get is a plus. But I just want you to know that the $2,000 is not dead yet. It could still happen. And down in my description box, I got the breakdown of how the $2,000 proposal would be set if it happens. We don't know which one they're going to pick. We don't know how it's going to go. Everybody is speculating on these things, but nobody knows. I'm giving you my opinion just like everybody else is giving you their opinions. So just know the $2,000 is not dead yet. This is just a different proposal. We don't know which one they're going with. I hope this helps. Because I don't want nobody going around thinking, okay, it's gone. I'm not going to get nothing but $1,200 one time. That's not really the truth. We don't know yet. We could still get the $2,000. We could still get it reoccurring payments. We don't know. We just have to wait and see. But they did say that they want this voted on this week. So it's coming fast, whichever way they go. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. I want to know what you're thinking. And come back tomorrow for another video. I love you all. Ciao.